Okay, well, we're at a friend's house, and I'm going to walk over to his friend's house and videotape the air conditioner, because they're real nice people, and he knows them, and I can't remember if I know them or not, but I don't think no one's home. And if I do get caught, I just gotta say I'm friends with the guy right there at that house. I'll keep it quiet. Make sure there's no dogs. That's a quiet little sucker. I won't get close to it, but I'll just get a glimpse. Geese. Shit, is that an alarm? I don't know what that is. I don't know if you can see it. There's a pool. I ain't going back here. Okay, here we go. Okay, here it is. It's a temp star. Oh, there's two. That's a Heil. That's running. Model NHP 024AKC2, serial E04322786. This is a 04 and is a 2-ton. And this one is a Trane XR13, my favorites. A model 4TWR3024A1000AA. So this is a 2-ton with R410A, manufactured August 07. No, October of 07. Anyways, there's a water heater. Oh wait, are these heat pumps? Yes, these are both heat pumps. Anyways, this is a nice subdivision I'm in, and this video is getting long. Let's just go out and shut the gate. There we go. And I don't think he knows any other people, because he's friends with these people and the people over there. I don't feel like zooming, so that's pretty daggum sweet. So them two units over there are Heils, not temp stars, but them things over there are antiques. There's nobody home. So yeah, there you have it. Air conditioner palooza. I'm going to title this Air Conditioner Palooza. This might even just cram all the clips together, I don't know. I don't think them units are on. Oh yeah, they're on.